Hello guys, and welcome again to Berka, super green Berka. It's been raining the last 2 weeks like crazy here in Germany, but yesterday it gave me the chance to do the maiden flight of the Anthem, and here we are next day. I just finished my third flight with it, and yeah, I really want to share with you my first impressions, first images of the Anthem flying. Unfortunately, I don't have my father here, so it will be hard to have like good footage from that camera, so I will probably wear the GoPro. I know you hate it, but it's the only thing I have. But yes, really looking forward to test this airplane, to give you all my impressions. What I can say after the 3 flights is that I feel already very comfortable. I'm using pretty much the same setup as with the Epilogue, dual sky power systems, of course, motor, ESC and batteries, Falcon propellers. I'm still using the 2211, the same I used in the European Championship, and of course MKS servos and powerbox systems inside. Big differences compared to the Epilogue. We have the shape of the wings, the sweep back wings. Really looking forward to see how it behaves. The first impression is that it looks awesome in the air, but I cannot tell you anything else. I have to test it more. A little bit different elevator, like with more surface, not needed for the Epilogue, but let's see how it behaves during the spins. Fuselage very similar, thick analyzer very similar, with a little bit more brake, and then no side thrust, something that I'm really interested in. I can already tell you after 3 flights that it's amazing. So it's going straight in the upline, so we will elaborate more on this, or we'll talk more about this. And then the last big difference is the rudder servo. Rudder servo mounted in the back of the airplane to try to keep the CG well positioned for the sweep back wings, which is a little bit more to the rear than the Epilogue, and that's it. So I'm really looking forward to test it. I will show you some pictures, some images. I think that it looks amazing. I love the orange. We keep the same orange from BJCraft, perfect for these cloudy conditions. It's the best. And the paint scheme as well, it's like an evolution of the Epilogue. I like the yellow touches, and as I said, the first impressions in the air is that it looks awesome. These wings, they are not super extreme, but you can see the sweep back in the air and how it's already behaving like very well centered. We will see. I really want to test it. I want to come with both of them, with the Epilogue and with the Anthem, to give you like a better idea of what are the main differences, and from there start practicing P, start practicing F programs to give you like my feedback and what I think about the newest monoplane from BJCraft. Pick off and go to the right, okay? And from there we'll play. It's difficult to follow. I completely understand. But okay. I really appreciate it. Okay. Ready?
Ready.